What should I prepare or check before launching my first PPC campaigns? Check for inventory. You must have inventory for at least a month. If you don't have for at least a month inventory, it will run you out of stock. So check if you have inventory. 2, check if the category that you're selling in, you can advertise for. Again, this seems super intuitive. Still, many brands that we are talking to, they don't even know if they can advertise in the category. They just hope like, this is the product that I'm going to advertise. And it's like, yeah, but you cannot advertise in that category. So then what's next, So can you advertise within the category? And then the third thing that you should be preparing for is prepare both for lots of spend without turning into profit just yet. And this, it's not as much dependent on how well your optimized your listing is or not. Even with well-optimized listings, we still see, especially whenever you're a new product launching on the platform, you're still going to pay a lot for advertising that might not convert, So those are the things that I personally would be looking into before even launching my first campaign.